Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to answer questions which are similar to the questions of the exam for EST. Let's start with the first question. Question 1. If 2x plus 8 equals 16, what is the value of x plus 4? You know that we can solve this question by two methods. First of all, you can find the value of x. So we can say that we have 2x plus 8, which equals 16, by subtracting 8 from both sides. So 2x equals 8. Then divided both sides by 2, so x equals 4. Then we want to find the value of x plus 4. It means x plus 4, which equals 4 plus 4, which equals 8. Okay. We have another method. If we have 2x plus 8 equals 16, check this equation. You can divide all the sides of this equation by 2. Okay. We have 2, 8, and 16. All are divisible by 2. So the answer it will be x plus 4, which equals 8. So this is the answer, which equals 8. Let's move to the next question, question 2. If we have 2 times 5x minus 20 minus 15 plus 8x equals 7, what is the value of x that satisfies the equation above? First of all, you will expand the two brackets. You will multiply 2 times 5x and 2 times negative 20. So it will be 10x minus 40 minus 15 minus 8x, this is equal 7. Then we will add the like terms. We have 10x and negative 8x, where their total equals 2x, and negative 40 and negative 18, which equals negative 55, this is equal 7. Okay, we can add negative positive 55 for both sides, so we have 2x equals 7 plus 55, which equals 62. Then divided both sides by 2, so x equals 31. Easy question. Let's move to the next question. Question 3. Find the sum of negative 2x squared plus x plus 31 and the 3x squared plus 7x minus 8. The sum of can be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. What are the value of a plus b and c? First of all, you will have the like terms. You have negative 2x squared and 3x squared. Their sum equals x squared. As you know that negative 2 plus 3 equals 1. So to be 1x squared, which is x squared. Okay. Then you have x plus 7x. So their sum equals 8x. And 31 minus 8 equals 23. Now check the coefficient of x squared, which is a. This is 1 equals 1. And the coefficient of x, which equals b, this is 8, and the last term, which is c, equals 23. Okay, now we will add a plus b plus c. It means 1 plus 8 plus 23, so it will be 24 plus 8, which equals 32. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question 4. If 60 over c plus 2 equals 10, what is the value of c plus 2? Put 1, then make cross multiplication. Before cross multiplication, you can cancel 1 0 with 1 0. So you have c over 6, over c, 6 over c plus 2. This is equals 1. So any number divided the same number gives you 1. It means c plus 2 equals 6. So the answer is C. Let's move to another question about solving equations. Which of the following is equivalent to a plus b over 2 all squared? You know that this is a perfect square, and we have a form for expanding the perfect square. If we have x plus y squared, just put the first square, the second square, and at the middle 2 times first times second. It means 2xy. Okay. The same for this question. The first term is squared, it will be a squared. The second term is squared, b over 2 squared, it means b squared over 2 over 2, which equals 4, yes. Plus, at the middle, just multiply 2 times the first term times the second term. 2 times the first term, which is a, times the last term, which is b over 2. We will cancel 2 and 2, so the answer is ab. So we have at the middle, ab. So the answer is what? Where is that? Yes, the answer is D. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question 6. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to one above? The one above, okay? X squared minus 3 minus negative 3x squared plus 5. You just change the sign. If you have a negative sign before a bracket, just change the sign of this, all variables in between the two brackets. So it will be x squared minus 3 plus 3x squared minus 5. Then add the like terms. You have x squared plus 3x squared gives you 4x squared, means we cancel C and D, and the negative 3, negative 5, which equals negative 8, so the answer is. Let's move to another question, question 7. Very important question, question 7. If a plus b equals 14 and a squared minus b squared equals 56, what is the value of a minus b? You know that we have something which is called difference between two squares. If we have a squared minus b squared, we can factor this into, take the square root of the first, aa, the same for the second, bb. One of them is positive and the other one is negative. So if we have a squared minus b squared, we can rewrite it as a plus b times a minus b. This is equals what? Equals 56. Okay? And also we have a given that a plus b, which equals 14. So a plus b equals 14. We can rewrite 14 times a minus b. This is equal to 56. Then divide both sides by 14. So a minus b will be, I think it will be 4, because you know that 14 times 4, it will be 4 times 4 equals 16, and carry up 1. 1 times 4 equals 4 plus 1, which equals 5. Yes, equals 4. So the answer is B. Okay? In this type of questions, if you have a squared minus b squared and you have a plus b, just divided them. 56 divided by 14. Okay? So it gives you a minus b, which equals 4. Okay? Let's move to another question. Let's move to 9 about system of equations. We have 2x plus y equals 8 and x plus 4y equals 11 if the x and y coordinate of the point of the in the xy plan satisfy the system of equations above. What is the value of 6x plus 10y? You can use the calculator to answer this type of questions. Multiply by 1 and write down the coefficients. Do 1, 8, 1, 4, and 11. But we'll try to answer this type of questions without using calculator. This question, if we want to find 6x plus 10y, just add the two equations. Okay, check. 2x plus x gives you 3x. Okay, y plus 4y, which equals 5y. And the right hand side, 8 plus 11, which equals 19. I can multiply this equation times 2. Okay, so 3x times 2, which equals 6x, and 5 times 2, which equals 10y. Check. On the right hand side, 19 times 2, 38. Okay, so the answer is 38. Let's move to question 10. The solution x and y to the system equation above, we have 7x plus 3y equals 8 and 6x minus 3y equals 5. What is the value of x minus y? We can use also the calculator for this type of questions, but we will try to answer it without using calculator. If we added both equations, we have 7x plus 6x, which equals 13x, and you can cancel 3y with negative 3y. And the right hand side, 8 plus 5, which equals 13. It means x equals 1. Now we have x equals 1. Plug in any equation to find the value of y. If we choose the first one, it will be 7 plus 3y equals 8. So it will be 3y, 8 minus 7, which equals 1. So y equals third. Okay. Now we want to find x minus y. It means 1 minus third. You know that 1, which is 3 over 3 minus third, which equals 2 over 3. So the answer is B. Okay. Last question. Question 11. The system of equations above has solution x and y. What is the value of x? In this equation, we have half y equals 4 and x minus half y equals 2. You can put half y, which equals what? 4. So x minus 4, this is equals 2. It means by adding 4 for both sides, x equals what? 2 plus 4, which equals 6. Okay? Thank you for watching.